The 2025 Nissan Murano is gearing up to make a significant impact in the midsize SUV market with its blend of updated performance, design, and technology. This new model will replace the previous V6 engine with a more efficient 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder, delivering 241 horsepower and 260 pound-feet of torque. While this marks a slight reduction in horsepower compared to the outgoing model, the new engine is expected to enhance fuel efficiency and responsiveness, appealing to modern drivers. Visually, the Murano retains its sleek aesthetics, taking cues from the Nissan Ariya, which includes the distinctive Murano Glass dashboard. Inside, comfort takes center stage with features like ventilated and massaging front seats. Rear seat passengers will benefit from increased space, thanks to redesigned front seats that create more legroom and wider door openings, making entry and exit easier. In terms of technology, the Murano upgrades its infotainment system to include standard wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with a host of new safety features. These include ProPilot Assist for advanced driver assistance and a passenger-side knee airbag. The cargo capacity has slightly decreased, offering 32.9 cubic feet behind the rear seats and up to 63.5 cubic feet with the seats folded down, which may impact practical use compared to the previous model. Expected to hit dealerships in early 2025, the pricing details are still forthcoming, but the anticipation surrounding the new Murano suggests it could regain some traction in its competitive segment. For more in-depth information, you can check out sources like N.